What's going on?
He's recording now, so you gotta be happy.
You're asking to get off the aircraft.
They're your kids. For what reason? Because apparently you're not following rules. You get to come off with your kids, or you.
A man seated in his assigned seat, a flight attendant who acknowledged his right to record, an officer who offered multiple choices before making an arrest. So why did two members of the same family end up in handcuffs? The answer lies in a federal statute most passengers have never read.
Hello. What's going on?
He's recording now, so you gotta be happy.
He threatened all of us too.
What's that?
He threatened all of us too. So
Alright, so here's...
What's going on?
BSOS. Yeah, he knows the story. Alright, it's the
Okay, so 20... Okay,
Personally non-compliant. He's traveling with his kids and another family member, the grandmother. He placed the daughter in someone else's seat, and while we seated them with the grandmother, with the adult part of the family, he removed the daughter and put them in the other seat beside him, and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else. The flight attendant
Not part of his family, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flight attendant asks, to put the daughter back with the grandmother, so the other person was sitting there assigned seat. He refused to do it. He was non-compliant, very combative. He asked him to get off the aircraft, get his stuff, and get off the aircraft. He was very rude, so they could come threatening. And he was just non-compliant, very combative, and not listen to any guard instructions. So I had him our card here, a notice of non-compliance. He refused to take it. He started recording me, which he has the right to. But I did let him know I don't consent to him recording. He's right here. So we like him off the aircraft. The flight crew is not comfortable. They're not safe with him.
Okay, so who you want off the aircraft? Just him?
This gentleman right here.
And the kids can fly with grandma?
If he's willing to let the kids go to grandmother, but he's going to have to get on to put them on board. They're not safe. Don't take him on board.
Okay.
We were willing to rebook him on the next flight. Very combative and non-compliant. Not listening at all.
Okay. Okay. All right. So this is what's gonna happen. All right.
Yes.
The pilot doesn't want you on the plane. The crew doesn't want you on the plane.
For what reason?
They don't have to have a reason.
They need to have a reason.
No, not by law. No. Once the pilot says you're
Take
off,
me down on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother.
So your kids can stay with your mother if that's what you want?
No.
Okay. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you this is the way it works. Okay?
Yes.
Well, they can come off with you if that's what you want. That's fine. All right? They're your kids.
For what reason?
Because apparently you're not following rules and
I am
regulations.
following rules. Why?
All right?
I was on my seat.
Okay.
Come on, I'll show you.
I don't need to come anywhere.
I'll show you my seat.
So
I have
if
my
you refuse,
ticket.
listen,
I
if you
have
refuse to come off, you'll be arrested. Everybody on this plane will have to come off and you'll be arrested. As
For
simple
what?
as that. All right?
Look, this is my seat, 25D.
Okay.
Can I come and show you where is
No.
my seat?
No.
This is my seat, so you are doing something wrong.
No, I have nothing to do with the plane.
My daughter was supposed to change the seat, but the person...
I'm giving you, are you going to come off the plane or no? That's all I need to know.
I am on my seat. Look, this is the 25D, and I registered where I'm sitting.
Okay, are you understanding what I'm telling you?
I am sitting on 25D.
Okay. Come on up. Let me go under arrest. Don't worry about it. Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am putting my hands behind my back.
I got it.
Drop the phone. Drop the phone.
You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your kids, or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
You don't have to attack at all. Get down. Get down.
Ibibi!
30, give me another unit.
Ibibi stala!
Get down. Turn around.
Ibimbi stala! Ibimbi stala! Ibimi sana. Ibimi sana. Ibimi sana. Ibimi sana. Aiutami. Aiutami. Aiutami.
Sit down. You will get your ass saved.
Aiutami. 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 Sono bimbi. Aiuto, sono bimbi. Sono bimbila, please! Please, sono bimbila, please! Sono bimbila, please!
Okay, you can slow down. We got two in custody.
Please, sono bimbila! Mia moglie! Please! Sono bimbi, sono fanno male! Fanno male i bimbi! Sono bimbi là. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah.
Just wait till the rest of them get here.
Sono bimbi là. Sono bimbi là.
You guys want to open up? Y'all good? Yeah. All right. We'll wait till the rest of them get here. Just face the wall. You don't have nothing to talk about. Don't come running at the police like that.
Let go.
No, you would. He did.
Because he was coming.
You wouldn't listen.
He was coming
That's
to
why
me.
you're in custody.
He was coming to me. I promise you.
Well, the way of doing things.
Please,
obviously,
please do me a favor. Please do me a favor. Just let him go. Let him go, please. I'll do whatever you want.
I know you
I
would.
swear to God.
That's why
Whatever
you're
you want.
detained right now.
Okay.
This way right there.
I was never detained in my life. This is unfair.
You didn't want to listen,
I'm
so.
not saying that you are doing something unfair. Absolutely. I respect you. I respect your job.
Thank you for respecting me.
But please let him
Hold
go.
on.
Please.
Good, good.
Please. Just Sorry, bimbi. Sorry, bimbi. That's fine. That's
There's no
fine.
debate here. We'll send somebody else come, then I'll walk out.
All right.
Well, actually,
I need somebody
you
to
want to
fill out
wait because
the
you got to get information. So wait. Just hold them out there till somebody else comes.
My mom is disabled. She gonna
Okay. We understand. Why you didn't want to work? You want to reside.
I just need your info.
Yeah.
And the flyer and all that.
Action reaction. That's what it's called.
No, they're gonna pay for
And
it.
you said that
They're gonna have
the dad was trying to grab me, or
Whichever one of you back was turned, you was trying
yeah, I was
to grab
grabbing
you,
his
and that's
phone
when
off
I-
the floor.
That's,
Okay.
that's when I grabbed you. We have the camera.
Yeah, you have on my phone too. Don't worry. You have the video. You have everything.
I think it was him. His back was turned, and then the pops was trying to grab on. I didn't, what is
He was trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do.
The officer's back is
He
turned.
was trying to grab me. That's what he's trying to do. He doesn't even speak English.
I got their info. That's all. Just I'm gonna need somebody else because I got two.
Okay.
We took him, and I guess Dad came running after. They said when I was trying to pick up his phone,
Running
I guess.
after him. Yes, after me he was.
Then they went after Samaj.
After me he was running.
You don't need anything else on anyone on the
And I got the two
Who's
friends
Albert?
and witness.
I am Albert.
That's me. So I need the one for the back. I can print it for you up here.
Can you please let my dad go?
That's not mine.
It's beyond that. It's too late now.
Please.
You didn't want to listen. You could have just came off by yourself and let your whole family slide.
The kids go.
That's how I tried to have you do, right?
It's been a week.
But you didn't want to listen.
It's been a week. They didn't see their mom. Please, officers. Car.
It's not up to us.
Go outside. Go up front.
Here you go. Let my dad go. Yours. Who's somebody?
Boy,
I need units with a cage. I don't have a cage. What's your date of birth, Dad?
He doesn't speak English.
Okay. When was your dad born?
4/23, 1956. He was just coming.
And where was he born?
Sheriff, he was just coming to me, man. Come on.
Where was your dad
Do
born?
whatever you want. Just don't register it, please.
Where was your dad born?
In Albania. Really, fuck, stream rubber. Go.
He a U.S. citizen or Albanian citizen?
Who?
Your dad.
My dad is Albanian. He has a green card. He didn't do nothing. He was coming to me. The kids were crying, that's why he came.
And what's the phone number for you?
Please, he didn't do anything.
And where were you born?
I was born in Albania.
And are you Albanian citizen still or U.S.?
I'm alright.
You're American now?
Yes, sir. It's been 10 years. I never had trouble with anybody. The guy on the plane, he was very rude.
Right, but I explained to you multiple times
Absolutely.
that they don't want you on the plane. The pilot has the authority of the plane. Whatever they tell you, you got to do it.
I thought you were just trying. I swear to
Why
God.
would I do that?
I swear to my life.
I just wanted you to get off the
I
plane and your
swear
children
my
to go
life,
with the family.
I thought you were just saying. If
All
I
right.
knew, I would have complied. Absolutely.
I told you that that's the way it's going to work if you refuse, okay?
Absolutely.
So unfortunately,
100%, I will
and that's
have
where
complied.
we're at now. Unfortunately, your family's getting kicked off the plane too.
My mom, can you please?
We don't have control over that.
My
Once the
dad.
airline makes that decision,
No,
that's
for
it.
my dad, please.
No, it's already past that.
49 U.S.C. 44,000. 902. Federal Removal Authority airlines may refuse transport to any passenger deemed a potential safety concern without providing a specific reason. A valid boarding pass does not protect a passenger from a federally authorized removal decision. Lesson: at the gate or on board. The airline holds authority that no seat assignment can override. 14 C.F.R. 91, 3 pilot in command is final authority. The pilot is directly responsible for and the final authority over the operation of that aircraft. Once the pilot issues a removal directive, no argument at the scene can reverse it under federal regulation. Lesson: arguing with an officer on board is arguing against federal law, not just airline policy. 14 CFR 121, 580 mandatory compliance with crew instructions. All passengers on commercial flights must comply with crew member directives. Refusal to follow a seating instruction constitutes regulatory noncompliance under federal aviation law, independent of any state criminal charge. Lesson: crew instructions are not requests. They carry the force of federal regulation. 49 U.S.C. 46,000. 504 federal crime. Interference with flight crew intimidating or interfering with a crew member in the performance of their duties carries up to 20 years federal imprisonment. State charges do not preclude concurrent federal prosecution under this statute. Lesson: a seating dispute that turns confrontational can escalate to a federal felony within minutes. Florida Statute 810 entitled Trespass in a conveyance under Florida law. An aircraft qualifies as a conveyance once a passenger receives a formal removal warning from law enforcement following a crew directive. All statutory elements of trespass after warning are satisfied. Lesson: the moment a law enforcement warning is issued on board, compliance is no longer optional. Florida Statute 843-2. Resisting an officer without violence. Son, willfully impeding an officer during a lawful arrest, even through verbal resistance alone, constitutes a first-degree misdemeanor under Florida law. Partial compliance at the moment of handcuffing does not negate prior obstruction. Lesson: the window for voluntary compliance closes the moment an officer announces an arrest. Florida Statute 843. 2. Interfering with an arrest father. Physically approaching an officer during an active custody transfer constitutes criminal obstruction regardless of intent, emotional state, or language comprehension. These factors are mitigating at sentencing only. They are not defenses at trial. Lesson: intervening in an active arrest, even to protect a family member, is a criminal act under Florida law. Miranda v. Arizona 384 U.S. 436, 1,966. And First Amendment post-arrest statements are admissible only where the subject demonstrably comprehends the rights being waived. For a non-English speaker, absence of a certified interpreter may affect admissibility of statements obtained. The right to record law enforcement performing official duties is constitutionally protected. Third-party objections to recording carry no legal force. 8 U.S.C. 1000, 227, and United States v. Allen 106 F.3d 695 6 Sear 1997, a Florida 843. Two conviction may qualify as a deportable offense under federal immigration law. Lawful permanent residents face substantially greater legal exposure than citizens under identical charges. Lesson: for non-citizens, every criminal charge must be evaluated for immigration consequences from the very first legal consultation. The statute is clear. The arrests were procedurally lawful. But several questions remain open. Does a non-English speaker have a meaningful opportunity to comply with the law he cannot hear explained? Does federal removal authority leave any real space for a passenger to challenge it in the moment? When two people are arrested for different reasons arising from the same 10 seconds, what does that tell us about how escalation works in confined, high-stakes environments? The full analysis examines where each decision stands under the law